Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our YouTube channel Ganache. Today we are making mousse, a complete eggless mousse. For this, let's have a look for the ingredients. We need 250 gram of dark chocolate, 150 gram of cream and 150 gram of milk. That's all you need in the ingredient. The measurements will also be provided in the description box in detail. Let's prepare the recipe. Our chocolate mousse is ready to enjoy. Simple ingredients, easy steps, and a delicious result. Give this recipe a try and tell us how it turned out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Meanwhile, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.